Good morning, folks. It's Old Diego here, still in beautiful Ensenada Marina, Mexico. It's Sunday, June the 5th. The Baja 500 just got over this weekend. It's finishing up, probably the award ceremonies today. And I woke up in my bug out room over there in downtown, 3 or 4 blocks away. And 5 minutes away from the marina here. Look at this. Nobody here. Just a few liveaboards. That's it. Got the bug out van there. My buddy, the Seagull, Jonathan Seagull, is waiting for his fishy snack this morning. Probably got him trained. He probably recognizes the crazy guy in the wheelchair feeds him. So we'll see what I catch this morning. But I sure turned my, I had a mess of mackerel yesterday, probably about 10 that I took to Mata. It's not Maria, it's Mata. Over in the kitchen of Mariscos Menu, M-E-N-O, Meno. Mariscos Meno. I kept saying menu yesterday, but it's Meno. It's a name of somebody. Anyway, Sunday morning, praise the Lord. Wake up for another beautiful day. It's low tide here. You got to pay attention to the tides when you're a fisherman and a boater. When it's low tide, the fish are probably more concentrated over here in the marina. But the ramp going down is at a steeper angle. Low tide floats up and down with the dock. You can tell the California West Coast tide it's not that great. I think you're probably lucky to have 6 foot a day. See the rails underneath the ramp for the extra for the ramp to be able to skid back and forth during the day as the tide comes in and out. Twice a day, folks. It's got to go up and down twice a day. So I'm over here doing my laundry. Look, of all things, I've devised a system here for doing my shonies. So take an old cooler, add soap and water, and a pair of shonies, and just rotate it back and forth. See, you can see that, you can hear that washing action. Person should get some kind of a little solar motor that the solar paddles your washing machine. Anyway, let's take a look, and then we'll get this pair of shonies hung up and get another pair in here. It's camping laundry. Wring it out, you pull it up, save your soapy water for another load. Okay, wring it out. Okay, you can wash it, rinse it out with fresh water later in the bathroom. Just need to do now is just hang up my shonies here on the bike rack and put the other pair in there. You don't want to be drinking out of this cooler later. Okay. Mr. Seagull's waking up. Beautiful out here, folks. Couldn't spend $1 million on this view if you wanted to. Okay. Don't have to worry about wringing this one out. Just let it drip dry. Okay. Let it drip dry. Throw out my water. Okay. Might be using this for my fish. It's more convenient than a big bucket. I've got the fish bucket over there ready to go. But the other day, the neighbors were, she told me she could hear the fish flopping. You know, they make quite a noise in that bucket. Maybe it's not so good for the neighbors. They think you're over here killing everything. So let's see what we can do here. Switch a few things out, make things simpler and easier. I'll take this bucket down from my fishing and figure out what knife. Okay, we need the pole. It's set up for a it's got the jig head. It's set up for cut bait this morning, which I don't have any cut bait. I got my cooked mackerel dinner from last night. Let's take a look this morning, folks. Crutches, the little woman's shoes. Hey, look, my laundry detergent is Foca, which means seal. So these sea lions and stuff, we call them Focas over here, unless they're a big walrus or something. But anyway, here's my dinner from last night. Yeah. Okay, I cooked mackerel, the rice and beans. I mean the rice and lettuce. Why not? Why not have a bite this morning? Let's have a bite here. Wake up right. Survival style, folks. Not too worried about germs. Survival situation. I'm worried about getting that food in your stomach to have protein, strength to fight, to run, fight or flight. Think how you're going to survive for that day. Wonder how the fish tastes this morning. How's my little fishy taste this morning? Probably not as good as when it's hot. Well, I'm glad she added salt. Salt makes everything taste better. Yeah. Tastes like regular fish this morning. But it was so good when it was hot last night. But I'm definitely getting my protein, folks. We're going to eat more on this in a little bit. So, you know how they say, when the hay is ready, you got to make hay. When the fish are ready, you got to catch fish. In the evenings, when it gets dark, is when you can spend other time doing other stuff. But during the day, when the fish are biting, better catch as many fish as you can. Okay, we'll get this organized and get down right down there to my fishing spot. All right, folks. Let's have a good day. Keep you informed.